The Union Legislature. Our parliament is consist of Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha and the Speaker. Parliament. The term parliament refers to the central authority. It is a law-making body which is authorized to make central laws. A parliament is a true representation of we the people of India. It is a recognized body that symbolizes nation's hope and aspiration. Power and functions of Parliament. It passes the national budget. It makes the laws regarding the composition and the powers of Supreme Court. It may establish a common high court for two or more states. It is a supreme forum where people through their representatives seeks to ventilate their grievance or desires. It may alert the name and the boundaries of any state. The new state may be established by separation of territories from any state. Federal setup in India. A federal setup involves a dual government, that is, the national and the state government. There is a distribution of a legislative, executive, and the financial powers between the union and the state government. Lok Sabha, People's House or aspiration of people. Composition. Effective strength is 545. 530 members represent the state elected from state. 2 members are of Anglo-Indian community. 20 members are from Union territories. Term or duration. The term of Lok Sabha is 5 years. The term can be extended by 1 year in case of National Assembly. Qualification of members. Must be the citizen of India, must not be less than 25 years of age, must not be disqualified under any law, must not hold office of profit. Thus, qualification of members. If he holds the office of profit, if the person is of unsound mind, if the person is disqualified under any law. Quorum of Lok Sabha. A quorum is a minimum number of members to be present before a meeting to start. The quorum of Lok Sabha is 1/10 of total number of members. Reservation of seats. The seats are reserved in Lok Sabha for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. The provision of reservation of seats in the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha is protected by the right of SCs and STs. The members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people of India on the basis of universal adult franchise. A parliamentary constituency is a territorial area which is called upon to elect someone to represent in the Lok Sabha. The Speaker. The election of Speaker. The Speaker is elected by member of Lok Sabha itself by the system of simple majority. Removal of the Speaker. The Speaker is removed by writing his resignation letter to the Deputy Minister. Power and functions of the Speaker. He is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha, so he presides all the meetings of the House. The Speaker decides the admissibility of the questions. He decides whether the bill is money bill or not. The Speaker shall give the casting vote when there is a tie in voting in for or against of the bill. The Speaker shall maintain the order and the discipline in the House. The Speaker is the ex officio chairman of parliamentary committees. The Speaker allows the admission of strangers and the press correspondence. The Speaker may disqualify a member of Parliament for contempt of the House. The Speaker may expunge the indecent and unparliamentary words used in the debates. Rajya Sabha, the permanent house or the second chamber of the Parliament. Composition. The total strength of member is 250. The elected members are 238. Nominated members are 12. Chosen from special fields like science, literature, etc. by the President. Term or duration. Rajya Sabha is a permanent body having 6 years of tenure. 1/3 of its member retires at the end of every 6 years. Qualification of members. Must be the citizen of India, must not be less than 30 years of age, must have qualified as prescribed by the law, must not hold office of profit, must be the resident of that state or the union territory from where he is seeking the election. Note: disqualifications are as same as Lok Sabha. Elections of members. Members are elected indirectly by the members of Legislative Assembly of each state and union territories by the method of proportional representation by means single transferable vote. Control over executive or administrative affairs. The question hour or the interpellation. The first hour of sitting, that is the timing from 10 to 11 a.m. in both of the houses, is allotted for asking and answering of questions. The purpose of the question is to obtain information on a matter of public importance or to ventilate a grievance. The adjournment motion. This motion pinpoints the failure of the government in the performance of its duty. It is moved in Lok Sabha when there is a dispute between the opposition and the ruling party. No confidence motion. This motion is passed by the opposition party against the whole ruling ministry. If the motion is carried out, the whole ministry with the Prime Minister has to resign. This motion can only be passed in Lok Sabha.
Thanks for watching my presentation.